There's a moderate strength La Niña currently underway, and it's forecast to continue through Northern Hemisphere winter and possibly as a weaker event through the spring. Right now, subsurface ocean heat content in the tropical Pacific is below normal, which is what we would expect during a La Niña, although this fuel is somewhat reduced relative to previous months. The atmosphere is also participating in the event with enhanced trade winds in the eastern Pacific and a positive southern oscillation index, as we would expect during a La Niña. Furthermore, there's enhanced precipitation just to the west of the dateline and deficit precipitation further west in the tropical Pacific, again, as we would expect during a fully coupled event. All of this means that the La Niña is likely to continue as a moderate strength event in the coming months, but models forecast that it will weaken as we move into the spring, although there's considerable disagreement about how quickly this event will decay as we move into the spring, raising questions about whether this event will persist through the spring or decay more quickly once we enter the spring and the spring predictability barrier. Along with these sea surface temperatures in the tropical Pacific, there's cold sea surface temperatures in the eastern tropical Pacific, but warm sea surface temperatures elsewhere in the northern Pacific, in the northern Atlantic, and in the southeast Indian Ocean. All of this means that the seasonal forecast in the coming seasons is very reminiscent of canonical La Niña teleconnections, with drought forecast in the southern US, as well as southeastern South America and southwest Asia. There are few strong anomalies, however, forecast for much of Africa. There's above normal precipitation forecast for the northwest US, as well as the maritime continent. So stay tuned to see how this event continues to develop and what that means for precipitation and temperature in the coming seasons. Until then, be well.